Okay, go ahead.
We're looking at an overview of the SmarTandem, kind of a plan view of the chassis. There's a tag axle, non-driven axle here, drive axle here. We have pressure sensors, we have wheel speed sensors, and all the wheel ends. All that information is fed into the controller, which I'm holding in my hand. What you see here and represented, we brought the inputs to it. This controller will relieve air pressure from the tag axle and apply more pressure to the drive axle airbag so that we shift the load to the axle that has traction, and then we also lock the main differential. So one demo that we saw earlier, we had the main differential open and the system was operating as a traditional 6x2 and the vehicle would not start on the grade. When we put it in max traction or we put it in auto mode, in the max traction mode, we shift the load and the differential is locked at start. In the auto mode, the differential is not locked at start. As soon as we started to move the vehicle and it sensed that there was wheel spin, it locked the main differential and then the vehicle was able to come up the hill. And this test that we're showing here is a typical loading ramp, and we have a plate which simulates low traction, which we apply soap suds to, so that you only have one wheel that has good traction, which is about the toughest thing to start on. So with the differential open, wheel end on the other side, which has good traction, can't do anything because the torque is limited by the amount of torque we're able to transmit through this slippery interface. When we lock the main differential, then we're able to put all of the torque through the one wheel end, and then the vehicle was able to start on the grade.
Great, thank you.